time. So I'm
It's
with you.
it's as if they know. So I think I just hit record, and yep, it seems like we're going. So I'm going to go ahead and just say to start with, if you would, just sort of say, like in my I had experience with drug courts as a defense attorney and as an assistant prosecutor, and these are the things that I know from those experiences. So if that
Sure.
works, and let me
Sure.
mute myself. And
So I had experience with the drug court in Roanoke City and Roanoke County and Salem. I was a defense attorney there first, and then I was an assistant prosecutor in Roanoke County and had experience with the drug court there as well. And what I observed is that when people complete that program, it really is very positive, and many of them go on to be very successful and avoid being back in court. Um, I've also attended a couple of graduations, and it's a really an amazing experience to watch those folks graduate from court. They have a lot of peer support, so they bond with each other, and really it's quite amazing to see the way they help each other, gain the tools so that they're not back in court in the future.
okay, one last thing. You had spoken yesterday about how there's a need in Botetourt County, and that it would be valuable to have that service available to them. If you would just sort of say that and elaborate a hair, and then I think that should take care of us.
Okay. Sure. Well, in Botetourt County, as everywhere really in the country, there is a need for more treatment options for people who have drug problems. And this is just another way that we can bring people with drug problems together with the treatment that they need. It's a very rigorous program, and it requires a lot of work on behalf of the person participating. And there are very strict requirements in terms of who is allowed in the program and who's not. For instance, the Commonwealth attorney has a sort of a veto power, if you will, to say whether or not someone is appropriate for the program. But there's clearly the need. We have people, unfortunately, who return to court over and over again simply because they are addicted to drugs. And we have we don't have enough options for those people other than incarceration. And obviously, if we can get someone into a treatment situation as opposed to being incarcerated, that's preferable, so that there's a much better chance that we won't see that person in court again and they'll be successful. So there's a need in Botetourt as there is everywhere else in the country, and my hope is that this will bring more treatment services to Botetourt and allow us to just have one more our arrow in our quiver to help people avoid the sort of cycle that we see so often.
Thank you, John. I appreciate that. Taking part in our latest video experiment. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, thanks, Ted. It's good seeing you.
Thanks, John. Same here. Bye-bye.
Thank you.